30 boys and 8 girls sat for our test. The mean of the boys' scores and that of the girls were respectively 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Find X if the total score was 468. This is a relax. Mean. Let us remind ourselves of the formula for mean. This is mean. Mean equals some fx. Some fx over some f. This is the formula for mean. Now, you have mean for boys, you have mean for girls. Look at the mean for boys, look at the mean for girls. Now, and here you are given 30 boys. So some f is not total number of boys that start for the test. So some f number of boys, some f boys here is 30. And then some fx, we don't know it, but we know the mean for boys. Mean for boys is 6. So we have some 6 here. Now let's get some fx, that is total score for boys, some fx. Then we know some f. Some f is the number of boys that start for the test, that is 30. Now from here you can get the total score for boys. So that is some fx. That is total score for boys equals, total score for boys equals 6 times 30, which is 180. This is total score for boys. Then total score for boys and girls was this, 468. So when we subtract 180 from 468, we get the total score for girls. And when we get the total score for girls, we can now equate it over the number of girls, which is S. Then we can now equate it to what? The mean of the for girls, and then cross multiply to get our answer. So let's do it together. So let's get the total score for boys. This is for girls. So this is boys. This is boys. Let's get to some fx, girls, some fs girls, some fs girls. Now before we get some fs girls, let us get the sum of x for girls. The sum of x for girls is what? 468 minus 180. This will give you what? 288. This is total score. This is total score for girls. Then you use this formula again. We are given the mean for girls. Mean for girls is what? Mean for girls is 8. So 8, that is mean, equals total score for girls, 288 over x is number of girls. The x is number of girls that sat for the test over x. So we can find x now. So if you cross multiply, have that 8x equals 288. Then therefore x equals 288 over 8 equals 36. Answer. Hope it's clear. Drop your question in the comment section. Bye.